Introducing the letter T. T is for a tiger with black stripes. T is for a tree with fruit so ripe. T is for trash, filling a can. T is for a turtle that slowly ran. T is for tooth and a tent too. T is for tacos, for me and you. What else starts with the letter T? How about toss? Tissue and tag work too. Can table and tie be added to the crew? Can you think of words that start with the T sound? Quietly think. Now turn and talk to your neighbor. Great job! Let's write the letter T. Down, cross. Down, cross. Down, cross. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, KinderRomp. Check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching KinderRomp.